Blizzards. The Great White Hurricane. On a March Sunday in 1888, it began to rain in New York. The temperature dropped quickly as the night fell. The rain turned to ice, then to snow. On Monday, people woke to howling winds. Snow piled high in the streets. The Great White Hurricane lasted 3 long days. The storm buried the northeastern United States. When it was over, more than 400 people that died. The storm caused millions of dollars in damage. It would be summer before the last of the snow would melt. The blizzard of 1888 was one of the worst storms in history. Extreme storms. 3 things turned a snowstorm into a blizzard: strong winds, blinding snow, and freezing cold. In a blizzard, winds blow at speeds of 35 miles, 56 kilometers per hour. They blow for at least 3 hours. Wind gusts may even reach a hurricane force of 75 miles, 119 kilometers per hour or more. The winds whip snow through the air, making it hard to see. This is known as a whiteout. A whiteout is when no one can see anything more than a quarter of a mile, 402 meters away. Safe travel is near impossible during a whiteout. Blowing winds also create something called wind chill. Wind chill causes the body to lose heat faster. Skin feels like it is an air that is much colder. Wind chill can cause bare skin to freeze. Word rise. The word blizzard ordinarily meant a violent hit or blow. It was used to describe shots fired from a cannon. A small-town Iowa newspaper was the first to use it to describe a powerful snowstorm in the 1870s. Birth of a blizzard. Blizzards begin as a snowstorm. A layer of moist warm air meets cold air. Clouds form in the water and then freeze into flakes. The flakes fall from the sky as snow. In 2016, a huge blizzard dumped several feet of snow across Virginia and Washington, D.C. The conditions make it hard to get from place to place. Blizzard country. Blizzard can happen anywhere there is snow. There's a greater chance of them happening in some places and others. The east coast of the United States is one such place. Storms called nor'easter often hit this area. A nor'easter can last for several days and bring lots of snow. Sometimes a snowstorm begins in western Canada. It then travels quickly across the American plains and heads east. This type of storm is called an Alberta clipper. Clippers don't bring a lot of snow. They are known instead of their strong winds and biting cold. Many of North America's blizzards start out as snowstorms that are nor'easter or Alberta clippers. Being prepared and staying safe. The mix of wind, snow, and cold makes blizzards dangerous. Years ago, blizzards caught people by surprise. Today, it is easier to know when and where blizzards will strike next. This gives people time to prepare. They can make sure they have batteries and fast flashlights in case of a power loss. Families can make sure they have enough food and water to last for several days. They can hurry home before the snow starts. Once they are prepared, people should settle in and wait out the storm. The best place to be in a blizzard is inside. In time, the storm will end. Then it will be safe to have fun in the snow it left behind.